Hey friends, thanks for stopping by. Just finished another bike ride back here on the Munson and the Twilight Trail here in Tallahassee, Florida. Talked before about taking less than lethal carry on a bike, and I've also talked about carrying a firearm on a bike with a concealed holster. Also, I'd like to tell you that I started another regime added to my EDC, especially while biking, hiking, or deer hunting. I started carrying a mini body cam right there. See that? Mini body cam. And the reason why I'm carrying that, because with the GoPros have limited time for, like my bike ride right now, it took me an hour and a half. GoPro battery would run out if I'm going to my hunting source. You know, I walk back in, get set up. Things happen along the way, so I might not have a camera on. I'm also wanting to use that mini body cam for, say I'm walking in and I come across a deer and I want to film. Say I'm walking in, there's a deer right there. I don't have my cameras all on my back, my backpack, my stand's on my back. I could still get that thing on footage. This mini body cam, what it has got a 6-hour battery life. Right here. It comes with a 32 gigabyte card, and it's just something for you guys to consider out there. Okay? I hope this helps somebody out there. Tom 365 out.